Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to boost your Airbnb listing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to boost your Airbnb listing, you just simply have to follow some very easy steps into your Airbnb listing. The first one is to use the SEO strategies and techniques. If you use SEO strategies and techniques perfectly, it will give you the ability to know what is trending at current time and what is people liking and what kind of things people are searching for. Then after following those very easy SEO techniques, you can boost your Airbnb. You can use several sites and even AIs like ChatGPT and Gemini to use the SEO strategy. And the second thing you should do is lowering your price and make it reasonable. That will also boost your listing and bookings into Airbnb. And the third and very important thing is to use very appealing and good photographs of your place. If people doesn't like your photos at the first place, they will not like to proceed further with your Airbnb. That's why you need to take good pictures and use it very carefully. And by following this very easy step, you can boost your listing in Airbnb. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.